Feeling overwhelmed managing your projects in Basecamp and ready for a change? In this video, we'll walk you through how to smoothly switch from Basecamp to Asana. Ensuring no project gets left behind. First, you need to export your data from Basecamp. Unfortunately, Basecamp doesn't offer a direct, comprehensive export feature for everything. The best way to salvage your projects is by manually exporting what you can. This often involves forwarding emails to a dedicated archive. This captures discussions, but not tasks directly. Now, let's head over to Asana. Begin by setting up your Asana workspace. Mirroring your Basecamp project structure, create new projects in Asana with the same names as your old Basecamp projects. Next, manually recreate your tasks within these new Asana projects. This might seem tedious, but it gives you the opportunity to refine your workflows and optimize task organization. Asana's features, like custom fields and dependencies, can enhance your project management. For some elements, like task lists, you might be able to create a CSV in Basecamp and import it into Asana. Look for any export options within your Basecamp project, even if it's just a text or CSV file. Finally, take advantage of Asana's integrations. Connect Asana with your favorite tools to streamline your workflow. This will make your transition even smoother. And that's it. By following these steps, you can successfully migrate from Basecamp to Asana, taking control of your project management and setting yourself up for continued success. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.